first grade friends. I hope you guys are doing well today. We are going to continue with our math, thinking about tens and ones and hundreds, and using that knowledge, that practice that we have of breaking that up that way and making groups of tens and groups of 100 to model different numbers. So let's listen to our essential question for today to get our brains thinking about what we're going to be learning.
How can making a model help you show a number in different ways?
So we're going to be making models to show numbers in different kinds of ways. Remember back a couple lessons ago, we showed the same number like 3 or 4 different ways. So I'm guessing that that's what we're going to be working on today. Let's get started.
Hey, look! Somebody left these trucks in the sandbox. There are so many trucks. It looks like a traffic jam. There are 26 trucks in the sandbox. We can count them all by ones, but there might be another way to count them too. Click the trucks to find out.
So I want your brains to be thinking. Remember, we talked about we can always count by ones, but is that the easiest way? If we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm thinking ahead of some ways that we could group them, but let's see what they've got.
That's 110. Now let's count the others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow! Now we can see the trucks as 110 and 16 ones. What's that, Belle? Hey, Belle says there's even another way to show 26 trucks. I wonder what it is. So what's a different way to show 26? Come on, let's find out.
So friends, if you noticed, she already counted another group of 10. Count with me, and then I'm going to circle this group of 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this group is kind of all over the place. And I think I got it. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This guy's not in it. And how many do we have out here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 10, 20, and then 6 more. So count on from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And that is an even easier way that she should have done it.
Gary and Jill both won 36 stickers for a class project. There are 4 sheets of 10 stickers and 40 single stickers on the table. How could Gary and Jill each take 36 stickers? You can use a graphic organizer to help you solve this problem. What information do you need to find? Click to find out.
So they're going to break down this problem for us because they said a lot of stuff, and even Mrs. Maris is a little confused. I need to hear it again. So let's listen to what we're looking for.
2 different ways to make a number. What is your plan?
So we want to find 2 different ways to make the same number. Let's figure out our plan.
You can start with the information you need to use. The number of stickers you need is 36. Now let's solve this problem. Use base 10 blocks to show 36 stickers 2 different ways. There are 4 sheets with 10 stickers on each sheet and 40 single stickers. These blocks show all of the stickers. Let's start by showing 36 stickers for Gary. First, give Gary 3 sheets of 10 stickers. There are 3 tens in 36. Click the tens block to give it to Gary.
Okay, so she said a lot of stuff and I want us to backtrack a second. We know that we need to find 2 different ways to make the same number. Gary and Jill both want 36 stickers, but in different ways, okay? So we're just going to focus on Gary first. What way could we show 36 for Gary? Well, let's count by tens until we get to 30. 10, 20, 30. So you know that we have 3 groups of 10, and Mrs. Maris is going to click this to give 3 base 10 blocks, groups of 10 to Gary, okay?
Click to give 2 more tens blocks to Gary. Now Gary has 3 sheets of 10 stickers, or 30 stickers. He wants 36 stickers. How many more stickers does he need? 36 has 3 tens and 6 ones, so he needs 6 single stickers. Click to give 6 single stickers to Gary.
So I want you guys to count on with me before we give him the 6 stickers. Grab 30, because we've already grabbed 30 in the base 10 block. So 30, and let's count on 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So this on our fingers, remember Mrs. Maris always wants you to double check, always, always, always. This on our fingers shows us that we are correct. 3 groups of 10 and 6 ones is one way for Gary to have 36 stickers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gary now has 3 sheets of 10 stickers and 6 single stickers. That's 36 stickers. Now, let's show 36 stickers for Jill in a different way. Can Gary and Jill each get 3 sheets of 10 stickers? No, there were only 4 sheets of 10 stickers. We gave Gary 3 sheets. How many sheets of 10 stickers can we give Jill? Jill gets 1 sheet of 10 stickers because Gary has the other 3. Click to give Jill the last sheet of 10 stickers.
So if Jill only has 1 sheet of 10 stickers or 1 group of 10, she only has 10 right now. And remember, we don't have to count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just count it as 10, okay? So I'm going to give Jill 10, and then we're going to figure out how many more ones we need to give her to get her all the way to 36.
Jill has 10 stickers. She needs 26 single stickers to have 36 stickers in all. Click the single stickers to show the stickers for Jill.
Okay, so she goes over this quickly, but I want us to really count to make sure that we understand that Jill does in fact still have 36 stickers at the end of this. So count with me. 10, and we're going to count on from 10. 11, whoops.
Now Jill also has 36 stickers. She has 1 sheet of 10 stickers and 26 single stickers. 36 is equal to 36. Gary and Jill each have 36 stickers.
Okay, sorry, Mrs. Maris clicked when she shouldn't have. So let's do it, even though I already moved those ones over. Let's do it to make sure. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Make sure you're counting with me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So even though Gary and Jill's stickers look different, they have the same amount. I always want to push your thinking and grow your brains even more. So I want you to think to yourself, which one was easier to count? Gary's stickers or Jill's stickers? Which one was easier for us to count? If you're thinking Gary, Mrs. Maris agrees with you. Because for Gary, all we had to do was say 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Gary had lots more groups of 10 than he did ones. But Jill, she only had one group of 10 and she had a lot of ones. So it was quicker and easier for Gary to count than Jill.
You can use blocks to show numbers in two different ways. Showed 93 in two different ways. Think about the first way. How many tens are in 93? There are 9 tens. Click to show 9 tens blocks.
So if we're thinking about the last problem with Gary and Jill, this first way would be like the easy way or the quick way. Thinking of how many tens are in 90. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So Mrs. Maris, this is backwards, sorry friends. Mrs. Maris has 9 fingers up, which means there are 9 groups of 10 in the number 93.
Great! We have 90 blocks. How many ones do you need to show 93? You need 3. Click to show the ones.
Well, how did she know so quickly that we needed 3? Let's grab 90, because we've already got it. Ready? Grab 90. 90, and count on with me. 91, 92, 93. How many fingers do you have up? Well, that's 3 fingers, and that would be 3 ones to get you to 93.
So one way to show 93 is with 9 tens blocks and 3 ones blocks. Now let's show 93 in a different way. Click to show the tens.
So this way is going to be different and not as quick. I don't know what they've got, but let's take a look.
You can trade 1 10 for 10 ones. So instead of having 9 tens, you have 8 tens. That's 80 blocks. How many ones do you need to show 93? You need 13 ones. Click to show the ones. You just showed 13 blocks with 8 tens blocks and 13 ones blocks. Now you have 93. So you can show 93 as 9 tens and 3 ones. You can also show 93 as 8 tens and 13 ones. Can you show 93 using tens and ones in another way? Yes, you can trade as many tens as you want for ones. You can even use 0 tens and 93 ones to show 93.
Okay, so she said a lot of different things. Mrs. Maris is going to get her pen out, and I want to show you guys something. So if I circle this group right here, let's count how many are in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know when we have a group of 10 ones, we usually make it into a bundle of 10, right? But here, they didn't do that. So they traded 1 stick of 10 for 10 ones. It's the same amount, but the stick of 10 is easier to count. So let's count by tens over here and count by ones to, in fact, make sure that this is also 93. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. So, like I said at the beginning of this, the problem on this side was like Gary's. It was quicker and easier. This side was like Jill's, but it still gives us the same number, which is 93.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Okay, let's see what the personal math trainer's got for us. Okay, it says, how many tens and ones are there? So the number they give us is 59. Okay, but they're trying to trick us because when Mrs. Maris scans and looks at these answers, it's not the Gary way. It's not easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? So we're gonna have to draw quick pictures to really figure this out. Let's try the first one. 4 tens and 19 ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That shows 4 tens, and Mrs. Maris is gonna draw 19 circles for 19 ones, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So let's count and see if that gives us 59. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So was that the number we were looking for? Well, yes, it absolutely was. So we got it on the first try. Let's look at the other two to make sure why we can figure out they're not correct. 29 tens and 3 ones. Wow, that's way too many tens. And 9 tens and 5 ones. Let's count what that number would be. Count 9 tens with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So you're already at 90, which is way more than 59. So that is why A, 4 tens and 19 ones is the right answer.
Excellent!
Okay, you guys. Let me erase. And let's read. It says, I am a number less than 85. I have 8 tens and some ones. Which number can I be? So let's focus on what we know first and we might be able to cross them out. I'm a number less than 85. Which numbers would be less than 85? They all are. So we can't cross anything out from that. Let's look at the next thing. It says, I have 8 tens and some ones. Well, I already see one that doesn't have 8 tens. 77 has 7 tens. So let's cross that one out. And now it says, I have 8 tens and some ones. So let's draw a quick picture of both 80 and 83 and see which one matches. So 80 would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Does that have 8 tens? Yes. Does it have some ones? No. So it can't be 80. Let's look at our last one. 83. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. Now, does this have 8 tens and some ones? Yes, it does. So our answer is going to be 83. Let's check that in.
Good job!
Okay. Last thing I'm going to do before I leave you guys is show you what you're going to be working on in your workbook today. So, there is a story problem up here that your parent is probably going to have to read for you. It's about Gary and Jill again. You're going to do the same thing that we just did together during our math lesson. It's just a different number of stickers. So I'll read it to you once, but when you're solving it at home, just think about what we just talked about with Gary and Jill. It says Gary and Jill both want 23 stickers for a class project. There are 3 sheets of 10 stickers and 30 single stickers on the table. How could Gary and Jill each take 23 stickers? So it says, what do I need to find? You'll trace 2 different ways. And it says, what information do I need to use? The number is 23. So my advice for you, I'm not going to solve it for you because I want your brains to do that, but my advice for you is to draw a quick picture that shows what they have. So draw this quick picture with me because it's really going to help you, and draw it right up top here. It says there are 3 sheets of 10 stickers, so that would be 10, 20, 30, and then there are 30 single stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So that shows the quick picture, 3 10s and 31s. You guys are going to have to use that quick picture to give Gary 23 and Jill 23. Now it's not going to look the same, okay? That's my advice for that. Let's move down. Ugh, and Mrs. Maris has to erase this. But down here on the next 2 pages, you guys are going to be doing the second part of the lesson today. So the second part of the lesson showed a number and then asked us to show it in 2 different ways using base 10 blocks, using the group of 10 and the ones. So down here, they want you to show 46 and 10s and 1s one way, and a second way. They don't want them to be the same. 71, 65, 59, 34. Oh, and this is the challenge down here. They want you to show 31 3 different ways. So Mrs. Maris is going to do one with you really quick, and then I'm going to tell you goodbye and hope you have fun growing your brain. All right, let's look at 46. Well, I know there's 4 10s in that number, remember, because this first digit in a 2-digit number, it shows us how many 10s there are. So let's draw a quick picture. 10, 20, 30, 40. We're not at 46 yet. Remember, the second number in a 2-digit number shows you how many ones. This is the Gary way, the quick way, okay? So there's how many ones? There's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is one way to show 46. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. For the second way, I want you guys to trade 1 10 for 10 ones, okay? Now remember what that looks like. We're going to get rid of one of these 10 blocks over here, okay? So we're only going to have 3 10s over here. And what does that give us? 10, 20, 30. But we need to get to 46. So if we trade 1 10 block for 10 ones, before we even write the rest of the ones, we got to put 10 ones on this side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I want us to check where we're at so we can figure out what we're missing. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we've got 40. Where do we need to get? To 46. So count on from 40 with me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So do both of these ways show 46? Yes. Do they look the same? No. So you guys are going to be doing that for the rest of the problems. Remember, think Gary way first. Use the 2-digit number to count the 10s and the 1s. And then for the second one, my best advice is to trade one group of 10 for 10 ones, okay? This is a little trickier. You might need parent help, but I believe in you guys and I know you can do this. All right, I'm going to tell you guys bye for now and hope you have fun growing your math brains. Bye, friends.